In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit column settings on monday.com. To begin, open monday.com in your browser and sign into your workspace. In the left sidebar, pick the board you want to work with and open it. You'll see your items in the center and the column headers across the top. Monday.com supports many column types like status, text, numbers, and people. So the exact options you'll see can vary, but the way you access settings is the same. Choose the column you want to change, hover over its header to reveal more options, then click the three dots on the right to open the column menu. From there, select Settings. This panel controls how the column behaves and how your team interacts with it, so it's the best place to fine-tune consistency and data quality. If the column is a numbers column, you can tailor its format, pick how many decimal places to show, and add a prefix or suffix like a currency symbol or unit, so values are instantly understandable. You can also choose formatting that improves readability, such as using thousand separators for large values. Consider whether your numbers represent money, quantities, or percentages, and format them accordingly. Consistent formatting makes data easier to scan and prevents confusion when teammates enter values. In the same settings panel, add a description for the column. Use it to explain what belongs here or provide quick examples so people know exactly how to fill it in. The description acts like an always available guide and can appear as helpful context when hovering the header, which is great for onboarding new teammates or keeping conventions clear over time. You can also set the column as required. With this turned on, items can't be created or moved without filling in the field, helping you maintain complete records on crucial data like budget, due date, or owner. This requirement also helps when items are created through forms or automations, ensuring you capture the essentials up front. Next, consider permissions, restricting editing limits who can change values, protecting sensitive or calculated fields from accidental updates, while still letting everyone view the information they need. Depending on your board permissions, you can allow only owners or specific people to edit the column. If you don't see these options, you may need board owner access. Finally, enable a column summary. This shows a quick calculation at the bottom, such as sum, average, minimum, maximum, or a simple count, so you can get instant insights without building a separate report. The summary updates in real time and respects filters and groups, giving you context exactly where you need it. When you're done, close the panel, your changes save automatically. Test the setup by editing a value to confirm it behaves as expected. You can revisit the same menu anytime to adjust settings as your workflow evolves.